Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I am going to talk about Monopoly Go tips and tricks. Here are some tricks you can do in Monopoly Go to progress in the game easily. First is collect the shield faster. You have to collect a minimum of 3 shields. This is because at first, your empire is small, and if all the built landmarks are broken, you will be left with a void. Next, use the auto roll wisely. While playing the game, you will come across an auto roll upgrade. This upgrade enables you to roll your dice multiple times, but you shouldn't use it too much or you will end up in the jail option in the board. So make sure you use auto roll only when needed. Next, focus on landmarks. When you earn a considerable amount of money, you have several options to invest in, but you should always prioritize landmarks. You should buy plots before other players so you can expand your empire early on. And lastly, minigames. Many players ignore this, but minigames are the best source of free extra money. So whenever you have a chance, play minigames as many as you can to earn more money. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this is helpful for you, and I will see you in the next one.